Hello friends, in this video I will show you 5 different methods to resize Adobe Illustrator artboards. So first of all we will create a new artboard like my new document, and I will select any dimension and create. So now you can see we have one artboard, and the dimension actually I selected 1080 pixels width and 1080 pixels height. So here you can see the first method. You can select artboard tool. Right now you can see selection tool is activated, so you can select artboard tool, and when you select the artboard tool, now you can see anchor points. So from these anchor points you can control, like if you want to change the size from here, so you can change from here. Even if you want to change from here, you can change from here. And if you press and hold alt plus shift, then proportionally you can change the size like this. And if you have multiple artboards, like right now we have one artboard, if you go to window, artboards, and here you can see, like if I click here and duplicate artboard, now you can see we have two artboards. So see, press and hold shift, I selected both. Now if you can see, if I change, and you can see the both artboards changing the size. And if I press and hold alt plus shift, you can see proportionally the size of both artboards changing. And I will now select this artboard and will delete from here. Okay, now the second option, you can select the artboard tool, and here you can see options like this is custom. If you click here, you can, for example, if you want A4, so you can click on A4. If you want like iPhone X, so you can select from here. So any dimension you can select from here, okay, like A4, even A4 landscape, if you want, you can select from here. Now if you have something like, you can see the text I have in my artboard. So this content, if we have, okay, so now this is the third method. You can select artboard tool, just double click the content, see, double click the content, and the artboard size will be according to the content, you can see. So this is the third way you can use. Now if I go to window, artboards, and duplicate artboard, now we have two artboard, and this content I will move a bit here. So now the fourth method, you can go to object and then click on artboards and fit to artwork bounds. If you click this one, so you can see it will start from here, from we have where we have the content in first artboard and second artboard, and you can see how it will fit. So this is the fourth method you can use. And the last method which I like, let me show you. Now this method, so for example, I need dimension like 1000 width and 500 height. So what I will do, I will type here 1000 and 500. Now you can see 1500. If you select this one, now if you type here like 1280, so you can see height will automatically change according to the width. If you press Ctrl plus R, ruler will appear, and if you right click here, you can select inches, you can see the value will also change here. So you can also type in your inches, like, or pixels, as you want. According to your requirement you can change. So these are the 5 methods you can use to resize Adobe Illustrator artboards. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much once again.